Hi, everybody. Welcome to ePrime for this evening. I am Daedran. Cheerful screams. A large crowd of children and adults turned out in their numbers to meet Mrs. Claus, personified by the queen of dancehall herself, Spice. No reindeers or her very own sleigh, but the DJ delivered truckloads of items on Sunday through her Grace Hamilton Foundation in partnership with Happilus, bringing the spirit of Christmas to the community of Lacovia in St. Elizabeth. Donations included building supplies, beds, stoves, and toys this holiday season.
Really need the help. We really need the assistance to bring us back and put back on our feet. Thank you.
Santa's elves bringing good tidings and cheer, and Mrs. Claus adding even more to the Christmas wish list. Now on the international scene, Taylor Swift remains on top with The Life of a Showgirl. The singer's 12th studio album continues its dominance on the Billboard 200, recording double-digit weeks after securing a 10-week streak at #1 on the chart. Showgirl becomes Swift's 4th album to spend 10 weeks at the top, making her the only woman to achieve the feat since the chart began publishing on a regular weekly basis in March of 1956. American rapper Nicki Minaj praises U.S. President Donald Trump in surprise Turning Point conference appearance.
I have the utmost respect and admiration for our president. He's given so many people hope that there's a chance to beat the bad guys. This administration is full of people with heart and soul.
And that's it for ePrime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.